Want to quickly edit your photos right from your phone without complicated tools? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to edit a photo in Adobe Photoshop Express step by step. This is a beginner-friendly guide that will help you improve lighting, fix composition, apply filters, and save your final image in just a few minutes. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Adobe Photoshop Express on your phone. Once the app launches, you'll see the home screen with access to your photo library. Tap on Photo Library or Gallery, depending on your device. If this is your first time using the app, it may ask for permission to access your photos, so make sure to allow that. Now browse through your images and select the photo you want to edit. As soon as you tap on it, the image will open inside the editing workspace, where all the tools are available at the bottom of your screen. The first thing we're going to do is improve the composition by cropping and straightening the image. Tap on the Crop tool in the bottom menu. You'll now see adjustable corners around your photo. Drag the edges or corners to remove any unwanted areas and better frame your subject. If your photo looks slightly tilted, use the Straighten slider to align it properly. You can also choose preset aspect ratios if you're editing for Instagram or another platform. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap Apply to confirm the changes. This simple step instantly makes your photo look more professional. Next, let's enhance the lighting. Tap on the Adjustments tool. Here you'll find several sliders that allow you to fine-tune your image. Start with brightness to make the image lighter or darker. Then adjust contrast to add more depth by increasing the difference between light and dark areas. If parts of your image are too bright, reduce the highlights. If darker areas are missing detail, increase the shadow slightly. The key here is to make small adjustments rather than extreme changes. Subtle edits usually create the most natural and visually appealing results. Take a few seconds to move the sliders back and forth until the photo looks balanced and clear. After adjusting the lighting, you can give your photo a specific style by applying a filter. Tap on the Looks or Filters section at the bottom. Scroll through the available presets and tap on any filter to preview how it changes your image. If you like a particular filter but feel it's too strong, you can reduce the intensity using the slider. Filters are a quick way to create a mood, whether you want something vibrant, warm, cool, or dramatic. Remember, you don't have to overdo it. A light touch often works best. If you'd like, you can also explore additional tools such as Clarity to sharpen details, Vibrance to enhance colors naturally, or Sharpen to make your image crisper. These extra adjustments are optional, but they can really elevate your final result when used carefully. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to save your photo. Tap the Save or Share icon at the top of the screen. Then choose Save to Device. The app will process your edits and automatically store the final image in your gallery. Now you have a fully edited photo ready to post on social media, share with friends, or use however you like. And that's how you edit a photo in Adobe Photoshop Express step by step. As you can see, it's quick, simple, and perfect for beginners. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.